Dear students, good morning. Today I am going to teach how to do copy and move your text from original position to different position. So as usual, let's start with MS Word. First of all, I'll go to this start and here I'll type MS Word. See, this is the word that after searching it has come. Click on it. It is asking for blank document. So here I'll click on the blank document. Then this blank document is open. Now it has nothing. It's blank. It's empty. Now I'll write something over here that dear learner, today I am going to teach MS Word and how to use copy, paste, move, cut, paste and move. Thank you. So how to copy? Let me first increase the size of this so that you can see here. I am making it 22, so now it is visible to you. How to copy? So simple, that you point your cursor at the position from there you want to copy. So this is the position from here I want to copy. So I'll select the text which I want to copy. Copy means that the text which I am making to copy will create duplicate value. How? So see here, this is selected. Now I'll click on this copy button which is in the home tab, copy, and then I am pointing my cursor here just above the thank you, and then I'll click paste. This is the paste button which is coming inside home tab, paste. So see, the today is available over here and new today is pasted, new today is created. So that means whenever we are using copy, duplicate value is copy is giving you duplicate value, and shortcut is Ctrl+C. So this is the way we can copy and duplicate value. Original is still here and duplicate is pasted over here. And whenever you are doing cut, so I am going to cut this MS Word. So see, I am pointing my cursor just before MS Word, so that I'll select this, and then I am going to select by pressing shift button from your keyboard and then moving your arrow key right till the text which you want to select. So this is selected. Now I'll move my cursor to the home tab where cut option is given. This scissor is just before this cut means cut. So as soon as I click on cut, it is gone from the original position, but it is already copied. Though it has gone from the original position, but it is copied. So if I want to paste on this position, then I'll go and I'll click on this paste, and see this MS Word is removed from this original position, and duplicate data, original data is moved from original position to different position. So this is the basic difference between copy and cut. So copy is giving you original as well as duplicate value. Original as well as duplicate value. But cut is giving you only new value at new position, only value at new position. Position means place, position or place. So this is the way we are doing cut, copy and paste. So whenever we are using cut option, then cut option is removing data or value from original position and giving it to the new position, new place. So this is called moving of your text. So cut is giving you authority to move from one place to another place. So how you can use copy, cut, paste, that's what I have told to you just now to practice it. And shortcut key Ctrl+C, copy, Ctrl+X, Ctrl+C is copy, Ctrl+X is cut, and for paste Ctrl+V. So this is paste, shortcut. So these are shortcut keys. Shortcut keys to do following tasks. Now I hope you'll do that. Okay, now we are moving to the next, that making text bold, italic or underline. So how to make bold, italic and underline? Simple, just select, as I told you how to select, and go to home tab. Here is the B that is giving you bold, and I want to make this today as italic. Then I'll select this text, and then I'll go to this I. See this how it is changing. I mean italic. Now I am going to make the lines, shortcut key for following tasks, underline. See the lines are coming. So this is making bold, this is making it italic, and this line is creating underline. Now shortcut key of this. So Ctrl+B. If you are using these two together, it will make text bold. Ctrl+I, if you are doing, it will make italic. Ctrl+U will give you underline.